Mom, please close your eyes.
Close my eyes for what?
Just do it. Please trust me.
But why? I did not understand. I'm cooking.
I want you to see something.
What is that? You make me so curious.
No, Mom, it's a small surprise.
Okay.
Open your eyes, Mom.
Oh my God, a cake.
I made it myself as your gift for Mother's Day.
Oh, my sweetie, thank you so much.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, honey.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Alex. Where are you from?
Can you guess?
Germany?
Oh, how can you know that?
Oh, am I right?
Yeah, I'm from Germany. Have you ever been there?
You know, I spent 2 weeks in Germany enjoying my summer holiday, and your country is fantastic.
Thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Oh, I haven't been there. I wish I could visit your country once.
Hope so, but the best time to visit France is not now. The weather is not suitable for sightseeing.
I will add it to my bucket list.
You will have a great time there.
I believe that.
Mr. David, you have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Miss Sarah, I forgot to tell you, but please cancel the meeting for me.
Oh, what happened?
I have to go home now. My family has some problems. I mean, my son. I have to go.
I got it.
Help me rearrange it with the clients.
Yes, I will inform you later.
And the documents and reports, you tell the departments to send me via email. I will check them.
I remember. Do you need me to call the driver?
No, I will drive myself.
Yes.
If there's something you can handle, just do it yourself, or you can call me.
I understand, sir.
Thank you for being here with me. Don't say that, Lucy. Come on, don't cry.
I don't want you to go, but I can't keep you here.
I will come back soon. It's only 2 years.
Normally, we are always together. It has been more than 10 years. Now you're studying abroad. I don't know what to do without you.
You're going to be all right. I believe that you are strong.
If you keep crying, I won't be able to go.
Okay, go ahead. It's nearly late.
I know. I will call you regularly.
I wish you well. Remember to take care of your health and do not study too late. Don't take a bath at night. Do you remember?
I remember. Goodbye. Bye. Don't cry. I will be back soon.
Henry? Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
How's it going? Are you okay?
Don't worry, Mom. I'm 15 years old.
I know, but everything is fine.
Okay, tell me what you have done today when you were at home.
I did all the housework that you told me to. I took out the trash, mopped the floor, and cleaned the bookshelves too. That's good. I already had prepared all the food in the fridge. You shouldn't order food to eat.
But Dad has agreed with me to order pizza for dinner.
Oh dear, I told your father not to do that.
Just once, Mom.
Okay, and don't forget to finish your homework before going to bed. Yes, Mom.
Where are you?
On my bed, in my room? What's up?
Why are you still at home?
Oh my God, hey, what's wrong?
Don't tell me you forgot our date today.
No, our date is tomorrow.
You can't be serious. It's today, right now.
No way, it's Friday already?
That's right, it's today. We plan to go to the movie and have dinner.
Oh God, I thought it was only Thursday today.
I am at the movie theater and you forgot the date? Are you kidding?
I'm so sorry, Mina. I'll be right there.
You have 20 minutes. We'll probably miss the first part of the movie. Guess that won't be too important, but I want to watch it. Hurry. I know, I'm trying my best. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
You look so happy and full of energy every morning, Julia.
Why not?
Every day is a new beginning. I like your optimism. Yes, I am an optimist.
Have you ever woken up feeling upset or having bad energy or something like that?
Rarely, to be honest. Only when I can't sleep at night. I often have insomnia.
I don't know why or how to solve it.
I rarely lose sleep, but sometimes when it's too stressful, I can't sleep at night. And the next morning is a nightmare for me.
Exactly.
You can drink a glass of hot milk. It is quite effective for those who suffer from insomnia.
Really? I will try it. Sure. Thank you, Julia.
Where did you buy this beautiful dress, Anna?
H&M store. And you know what? I got it at the 60% sale off price.
Oh my God, really? How can you do that? Why did you know about the sale in this store?
Actually, I dropped in casually when I went to the mall yesterday with my mom.
You are so lucky.
Right. I saw the announcement of the end of season sale of up to 60% and went in to try it. There were so many beautiful things there. I know. Their products are very good quality, but the price is quite expensive.
But if you buy it at the sale price, it's quite affordable.
That's right. I wish I could be lucky like you.
You can go to see it. There are still lots of products, including clothes and accessories.
Okay, I will go after work. Hey, Hannah. After a summer holiday, you look so great. Really? How? You look like you've changed a lot. I mean, your body. I'm so happy to hear that. How can you do that? Oh, exercise regularly. Really? Sure. Daily exercise helps you be fit and healthy. You know, I have tried that way to lose weight for a month, but I found it not useful. No, Anna, you think it's not useful because you haven't been patient with it enough. You need to do it every day or at least 5 days a week and for at least 3 months. You'll see a noticeable change in your body. Maybe you're right. I will try it again. I hope it can help me keep in shape. Yes, you can do it.
Why don't you wear a coat?
I think it's not too cold.
No way. Today is cold.
Achoo! Achoo!
God bless you.
Thank you.
See? You should wear more clothes. How can you wear just one shirt to the street?
I thought the weather was warm.
No way. If you don't keep your body warm, you'll get the flu.
I know. I have a coat in my car. Wait for me to get it for you. Thank you so much.
Not at all.
Why did John refuse to travel with us?
I do not understand why he did that. I know. Really? Why?
He had a conflict with Alex, and they haven't resolved it yet.
Oh man, so he refuses to come with us?
Yes, because he knew Alex was with us.
He acted like a child, so why did they quarrel with each other?
Well, I'm not sure. Only insiders can understand the story. Maybe we should ask Alex.
Yeah, then we can help them solve their problems. That sounds better. Let's ask Alex.
Hey, what are you doing?
I am cleaning the kitchen. Anyone home?
No, only me. Where are your parents?
They are at work. And your sister?
I don't know. I don't care. Why do you ask about her?
I want to borrow some books. I know she has some interesting books.
She didn't come home last night.
What? Did she call home?
Yeah, she only called once at midnight. So she is in deep water with my parents. But why didn't she come home? She went to a party and got drunk, and then she couldn't drive home, right? She stayed at Lily's house.
Whoa, you got a new watch.
Yeah, I bought it at the fall fair.
Can I have a look at it, please? It is quite gorgeous.
Here you go.
Thanks. It looks quite luxurious. How much did it cost?
I don't remember exactly because I bought it with some other stuff.
Was it around $100?
No, it was cheaper. I bought it for around $20, I think.
Really? It was dirt cheap. I think now you can sell it at the price of hundreds of dollars.
I don't think so, but I will check with a jeweler.
Yeah, you got a bargain.
Hey, I think we got lost. We've been around this building twice.
No way. I know this area like the back of my hand.
But you see, we are still next to the Main Street Mall.
Okay, let me check the map. Is everything fine?
Not really. I think we are too far from the museum right now. What should we do now?
We should go back that way.
How far is it? Around 10 kilometers?
Oh my gosh, we went too far. Shall we get a taxi? I'm tired of walking already.
Yeah, that is a great idea. I don't want to get lost again.
I want to write about the accident on the main street.
The accident yesterday?
Yeah, that topic is attracting a lot of public attention. I think it was only a normal accident. No, the victim was the heir of a big company. Oh my. Okay, I will follow the case. We need more up-to-the-minute news. I think there will be some mystery with this case. The victim is in the hospital now. I will follow his health situation. Yeah, he is in a VIP room. Oh, so it is hard to reach the news. I know someone who works in that hospital. Great, I can interview them to get more detail. Okay. Good evening. Do you want to order now or later?
Can I have a minute to check out your menu, please?
Sure, take your time.
I'd like to have a beefsteak. Sure. How do you want your beef?
I want a medium rare, please.
Sure. Anything else?
I also like stir-fried noodles. I'll take one of those. Okay, do you want anything to drink? I'd like a beer. Do you have draft beer?
Yes, we do.
Great, so I'd like to have a draft beer.
Good choice. Do you want anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Do you know Alex? Is he the new employee in our marketing department?
Yeah, he is. I know him. I talked with him on his interview day. How is he?
He is kind and has qualifications which fit our department.
I feel like he's a nice young fellow, but a bit wet behind the ears.
Yeah, he just graduated in the last 3 months.
Our company has never accepted an employee without experience.
I understand. However, the policy has changed. We should give newbies opportunity. I got it. I believe he can be a great coworker in the future.
How was your speaking test?
It went well. My topic was not too difficult.
Lucky you. I think so. I practiced that topic so many times before the exam.
What kind of score do you think you'll get from it?
I'm not sure. I think around a 7 or an 8. That's not bad.
How about you? What score do you think you'll get?
I don't know. My topic was a hard one.
Poor you. So you didn't say anything, or?
I explained my ideas to the examiner, but they were poor.
So I think the result is not bad. Ideas are the most important thing.
Teacher said I should brush up on my pronunciation. I was so nervous.
Did you see the new employee in our company?
Yeah, she was just over there. What's up?
I have a report that I want to ask her to help with.
I think she will be back in a few minutes.
Okay, should I wait for her here?
Sure, take a seat.
By the way, do you know her name?
Yes, of course. She's in the same department as me.
I also know her name. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I just can't remember.
Do you want me to give you a hint?
No, just give me a second.
Okay.
Ah, is she Anna? I remember her name starts with an A.
No, she is Anne.
Ah, yes, Anne. I will remember it.
What should we learn first?
Should we vote?
That's a great idea. I choose math.
Me? English. Peter, what do you think?
That doesn't make any difference to me.
Come on, we should choose one subject to complete first.
That's right. We have many things to do.
I hate math and English. What about science?
Tomorrow we don't have science. We can do that homework later.
I agree with James.
Really? I thought we had science on Friday.
Yeah, we have science on Friday, but tomorrow is Thursday.
Oh my, I only brought books for Friday here. I can lend you one, no worries.
Oh, Tina, hi. What a surprise. How are you?
Morning. I'm great, thanks. What are you buying?
I'm here with my sister Lily. Where is she?
She's in the fitting room now. She wants to buy something for the new school year.
Yeah, she will enroll in university this year, right?
That's right. What about you? What are you buying?
Nothing really. I just want to go window shopping today.
You should buy something. They have a discount today.
Really? I didn't know that.
Every Wednesday, the discount up to 20%.
That sounds great. I will consider it.